So legends, I invite you on this grand voyage. The legend must endure. Before I even launched the entire collection of legendary luggage, there was a thorough behind-the-scenes process. And let's talk about this in more detail. The Empire Collection offers you a piece of art with the durability and practicality of a large-size luggage. Not only you want to consider investing into a high-quality, durable product that will most likely last you a lifetime, but you are also investing into a piece of artwork, into a collectible piece. Seamless experience for your journey. The entire Empire Collection is assembled using high-quality parts I ensure meet high-quality standards. Let's talk about the most important product features. When you are traveling, you want to make sure you got enough space in your suitcase, and this is exactly why we are offering this collection in a large size format. The actual key core functionalities of this luggage are essential locking mechanism that is TSA approved, which ensures peace of mind on any international travels. Our luggage is designed to meet strict international standards. This luggage offers generous space for your personal belongings. The internal compartments inside this luggage help you stay organized throughout your entire journey. The internal lining is removable, allowing for flexibility. All suitcases in all our collections feature durable zippers. The large size option of legendary luggage is fully extendable. Should you decide to invest in this product, you are getting a high quality for a reasonable price point. You are not just investing into a high quality statement piece, you are also investing into a piece of artwork. This luggage keeps value beyond your use. If you decide to later sell it as a second-hand item, you are able to do so at a good price point. For a more detailed overview of the product's key features, please make sure you check out our website's product description at legendixa.com. Genuine legends of course optimize their journey for comfort. Wherever you travel with your legendary luggage, to put your mind at ease, you benefit from 360 degrees rotatable wheels that are engineered to high quality standards and reinforced. With many popular brands at high street price point, these wheels tend to often fail. Ours are reinforced and durably engineered and optimized for any complex journeys. Additionally, at a reasonable price point, you are getting a luggage that is truly personalized to your taste. We've invested into high quality UK-based manufacturing, which means the luggage is finally assembled and inspected in the UK. We like to make sure that our luggage meets the strictest quality standards. After personalization, every piece of luggage is thoroughly inspected before it ships to you. Our UK-based manufacturer uses large-scale printers to print the final design on the luggage. The legendary quality wide format printers that print these designs on your luggage ensure that your luggage withstands the stresses of modern traveling for years. For more information about our manufacturing processes and strict quality control, please visit our website. Occasionally, due to strong demand, our US manufacturer that needs to follow the exact same UK manufacturing procedures will be used. This involves strict manufacturing standards, high quality prints, and the inspection process before the item ships to you. Point 2.5. Sizing. Sizing very much matters when choosing your luggage that meets your standards. The Empire Collection launches in the large size format. However, in the future, more sizing options will be available, such as the popular carry-on format. Point number 3 is an important one on our grand voyage. Let's talk about personalization and the shipping process. We offer a fast personalization process with thorough attention to detail to ensure that the luggage meets your standards. The entire grand voyage of your order is overseen by me, someone with a strong background in graphic design. This gives you peace of mind because I possess strong experience and a degree in graphic design. I ensure that the entire personalization meets the highest standards. Whenever you start the order gets processed pretty much immediately, if not within few hours. The first step is personalization, exactly according to your instructions. Once the personalization is finalized, usually within few hours after you place the order, all the instructions are sent to our manufacturer. Our manufacturer is instantly notified and your item begins production. After your unique item is thoroughly assembled, it's ready for inspection. The items go through thorough inspection process, regardless whether they are produced in the UK or the US. After the thorough inspection has been satisfied, the item is then packed securely in a double-walled carton, shipped directly to your address, and it should be with you within few working days. Most likely, we like to give a time frame window of 2 to 5 working days. Perhaps my most favorite part of this highly responsible journey is actually point number 4, the actual design inspiration behind the Empire Collection. We've dived deep into the museum archives, and in the process we ensured that all of our our products are legally compliant. Because our products offer personalization, they need to go through strict legal vetting process. The images used in our product represent the actual original historical artworks that were taken from museum archives with open access. These artworks remain in public domain, and therefore they can be legally used on our luggage. In the future, we might be launching a unique edition of the Empire collection, which will allow for full personalization. This means that you will get an access to exclusive museum archives where you will be able to select your own favorite artwork that is held within the public domain, and you'll be able to select a part, if not the entirety, of this particular artwork within the frame. This particular item, uniquely designed for you, will be available at an exclusive but fair price. What about our legendary marketing campaign, or point number 5? This is an incredibly exciting part of my entire grand voyage of making this luggage a reality that you can actually purchase. I've looked into the historical context of the achievements of the British Empire within the 19th century, and this served as an inspiration for the entire collection design. We are celebrating the British innovation of the 19th century, and this is exactly what the artworks from 19th century represent that are featured on this particular luggage. The Empire collection was born. We use unique stories set in historical context to promote our luggage. This collection was born from an idea to celebrate the 19th century of the very British innovation. Using artificial intelligence and my personal creativity, we've captured incredible stories, created heroic characters. Towards the end of this video, I would like to invite you legends to ask me any questions you might have regards the product. I sincerely hope you found this entire video very useful, and I hope that it will guide you thoroughly on exploring your next luggage options. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. When you hit the free subscribe button, it helps to grow our audience, which means we will be able to offer more innovative solutions beyond the Empire collection and beyond the Lifestyle collection. At the moment, we offer free fast shipping in the UK. Please let me know your thoughts on the collection. Beyond this grand voyage, I invite my characters that are part of the marketing journey, help you experience adventure like no other. If you haven't heard about our luggage yet, chances are you may not know what it feels to be legendary during your travels. Your support is truly appreciated. This grand voyage wouldn't be made possible without our genuine audience of over 2k plus followers on TikTok, so please make sure you guys stay updated on our marketing stories, and I'm looking forward to see you in the future. Let's walk you through some marketing concepts we use in our legendary marketing campaign for our legendary luggage. Most favorite concept is the idea of time traveling and setting this luggage in historical context. Therefore, I chose a very interesting environment for my marketing concepts. One of them is time traveling to the 14th April 1912 Titanic. In this particular campaign, we've decided to save some passengers who are going to become heroes of our marketing campaign. The actual suitcases that accompany us on this particular journey are filled up with inflatables to ensure the safety of our guests. The very first marketing concept we launched for the Empire collection is based in a museum in London, where you can see curator Nigel, who is enjoying legendary lively museum moments. You will get to experience art through the lenses of an art curator. Mysterious Miss Terra is brought to life, and what happens afterwards, I will let you find out. I believe the customer journey should feel truly legendary. Therefore, I'm using a unique creative concept to promote my collection, and that way I invite you on brand new level of adventures with the heroic characters that we'll absolutely celebrate. You may know Nigel and Rose from our marketing campaigns, and you may know also myself being the central hero of our marketing campaigns. Hopefully you will thoroughly enjoy our content, and I will see you on our upcoming grand voyages. In the description of this video, please find links that will guide you to the right section on our website. The entire collection is linked in the description section beneath this video. If you have any questions regards the collection, our products, please feel free to leave a comment beneath this video. However, if your inquiry is more of a private nature, feel free to fill up the contact form of our website, which means we will receive an email and we will try to reply to you as soon as possible. Even though we list our working hours between 9 AM to 5 PM Monday to Friday, I do process orders on weekends as well, which also involves the personalization stage. I do process all orders thoroughly and immediately. Due to strong demand, you don't want to miss out of not owning a piece of luggage that also is an artwork. Should you wish to require a direct one-to-one consultation before your luggage is assembled, I offer this service as well. Please make sure you check the mention section on our website as well. We offer a personalized consultation service that you can purchase directly from our website. You can use this service to ask any question regards the process or to guide you through the personalization of your product. This additional service is not required but is available if you want to enrich your experience or if you want to deepen your experience of having your luggage personalized. We will make our best to fulfill all your unique requests. Please refer to our terms and conditions on our website. Additionally, legends, your feedback is incredibly important. We will let you shape the nature of our marketing stories. Do you have any ideas for characters, for environments? Please let us know.